Welcome to affordable and convenient living at Craig Court. This bright end unit patio home offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open dining and living space filled with natural light from the skylight and garden-facing windows. The primary bedroom is extra spacious with its own private ensuite, while the second bedroom is perfect for guests or a home office. Recent updates include new crown molding, lighting, windows, flooring, appliances, baseboards, baseboard heaters, and attic insulation. Stay cozy with the Real Flame electric fireplace and enjoy private access from the carport directly into your garden entry, perfect for shopping days. Step outside to a sunny private backyard with a patio and handy storage shed. Located just a short walk to Parksville Beach, shopping, and town center amenities. Craig Court is a well-managed, self-run 55-plus community that is pet and barbecue friendly, with lawn care included. Message me today and discover your paradise. Your journey starts here.